Hey everyone, it's Barb, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Adobe Photoshop Camera app to make creative concepts for your art. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to see more of these videos. When you first launch any Adobe mobile or tablet app, you're going to get this screen here that gives you a variety of ways that you can sign in to use the app. I have a Creative Cloud subscription, but I'm going to use my Apple ID to sign in for this tutorial, which is linked to my CC account. Let's go through the icons on the main screen. Like many apps, this button in the center is for taking photos with the app. At the top, these three dots control your image ratio size, general app settings, and turning your camera's flash on and off. You can add to the lenses you see at the bottom of the screen by accessing the lens library in the top left corner. Use a photo from the library on your device with the picture icon in the bottom right corner. Switch to back or front-facing camera with the icon in the top right. And lastly, hide or reveal your installed lenses with the icon in the bottom left. Let's start by choosing a photo from the library on my device, and we'll take a tour of the pre-installed lenses. Starting with this photo of the Brooklyn Bridge, you can use the duotone lens and its variety of settings to create a striking two-color version. These lenses generally do well with identifying and replacing the sky in a photo, but as you can see in this photo, it's not always ideal. In this example of gondolas in Venice, however, the sky is easily replaced with the blue skies lens. Swipe left to reveal the different lens variations. When you begin editing an image with the lens, you'll see more icons on the top right-hand corner of your screen. Let's have a look at how you can use these icons to further customize your image. The magic wand icon will automatically enhance your image when you open it in the app. You can turn this on or off as you scroll through the lenses. Pause or play an animated lens with the rotating play button. You can export your edited image as a still or video later by having this set to on or off. The slider icon in the far right-hand corner allows you to adjust various lighting elements in your image for further customization. This is a great feature to have, especially if you are using your own photo reference that needs some additional editing to get it just right. Add more lenses to your library by scrolling to the end of the lens menu at the bottom and tapping on Add More. This will take you to a selection of additional lenses that you can install. You can see a preview of what variations the lens offers by clicking on it. When you've found a lens you like, tap on the Add Lens, wait for it to download, and you can immediately preview the lens with your loaded image. If you decide you don't like one, you can manage your lenses in your lens library. Swipe to the left to delete a lens, and press and hold the three lines on the left to reorder them. Some of the lenses can't be deleted, but most can. Now that you're familiar on how to use the app, you can start creating your own creative references for your art. In the example I'm creating here, I'm using a royalty-free image of a lighthouse with one of the fantasy sky lenses. Using the customization options, I can get the image to exactly how I want it to use as my reference photo for my art. When I'm ready to export my image, I hide the lens library to reveal either the share or download option. Before I save to my camera roll on my device, I can resize the image to various dimensions or for social platforms. It's then accessible in my device photos. Here's a finished look at the art I created using the reference photo I made in the app. If you're looking to spark some creativity into your drawings, the Adobe Photoshop Camera app is a great way to help you do that. If you're one of my Patreon subscribers, you can see an in-depth time-lapse on how I created this piece. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.